Hi everyone, today I'm doing a challenge that has been so popular on YouTube, the boyfriend does my makeup challenge. With me today is Sam, my boyfriend.
Hi, I'm Sam.
With a space between two words, but that's it enough. So, do you think you can do it?
I've never done it before, but I can try.
Okay, so here's my makeup kit. Okay, here's everything you have to work with. Let's have a look.
Holy shit. There's so many things.
So your job today is to do a full face makeup, complete with eye, contouring, highlighting, bronzing, everything.
Okay. What's contouring? That's not a real thing, is it?
No, it is.
I have to choose these products myself?
I'll be helping you with the name of the product, but you have to figure out yourself how and when to use it. Do you know the order? Okay, first you have to do the face, then the eyes, and then the lips.
Okay. Face, eyes, lips.
Yes.
Got it. So this is for the eyes.
No!
Lips. This is for the lips.
Yes, this layer is all my lipstick. This is for the eyes, and this is for the face.
Lips, eyes.
Face.
But the lips and eyes are part of the face. So what?
Here's your tools. You can choose.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. And do you want to start with that? Show the camera. What are you gonna do with it?
I'm going to smooth out the face.
Mm-hmm. And you think that's my tone?
No, you're a little more light skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's blush.
That's blush.
Yes. Yes.
What color is
That's sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Mm-hmm.
What this guy?
So you're going with that?
Yeah. So it looks like the right color.
And you need more?
A little bit, maybe.
Well, I need that much?
No. I just want to do a good job.
I'm not gonna look into the mirror until you're done.
That's probably a good idea. Great.
Yeah.
So now, foundation.
But then you're done with the face. This is for the eye.
No, I think I need, also got this, also for the eye.
Yes.
Yes. What's this? Do we put it in your coffee?
Yeah, if you want to die.
I don't want to die.
Okay, so don't.
Okay. Now we're doing the eyes.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna start with Femme Rosa color palette.
And why? So you don't want to check out this one? No, just
Okay.
presenting all the options.
Yeah, I might go with the golden.
Okay, so now you're going with this.
I'm gonna go with the color pop.
Okay.
Yeah. Color pop. I'm gonna use this little guy. And I think I go for the eyelids.
Okay.
I'm gonna do golden eyelids.
Okay.
How does that sound?
That sounds good.
Sounds good? So I
Open
need
my eyes.
you to
Close
close your
now.
eyes.
You're doing with it, and yeah?
Don't worry, I'm an artist.
Okay.
You ready?
That's it?
That's it.
What else?
So, mascara and eyeliner, those aren't the same thing, are they? Max, right? Do you want smoky eye effect? This looks like eyeliner.
You sure?
No, it's Japanese, so it's probably good. Eyeshadow. It's something about it. White gold. Go for it. Ready? Sure. Wait, can you look
Up.
up?
Really? You want to do golden here and then white here?
Yeah, why not?
It has a bad feeling about this.
No, you look great.
More?
Oh yeah.
Is that it?
No, one more.
Okay. Okay, look.
Great. So first, I'm gonna use eyelash curler.
Okay, how do you know that?
Because it's shaped kind of like the eyelash. It has like a nice curve. It could be also for the ears, but I doubt it. Can't even, it's too small for my thumb. They obviously don't make these for guys with big fingers.
They should, right?
They really should.
Yeah, so should I look up or look down?
Look up. No, look down. Look down. This I think I know how to do. This I've seen.
What is this?
This
Show the
is
camera.
Lash Sensation Mascara from New York.
Wow.
Tell your
Okay.
friends. Alright. I've seen this in lots of commercials, so I think I know how to do this.
Okay.
Ready?
Where do I look?
Look at me.
Okay.
They're blinking. You did a good job in your eyes.
Okay. You don't want to do anything with my eyebrows?
The eyebrows.
Why do you have to smell it?
I don't know.
Okay, you
So-
want to use.
My finger.
You
No,
have a lot of tools
I
here.
do have a lot of tools.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, maybe we need a really thin one.
That one? This don't.
No?
No. That one? Okay. Do you think it's too big?
Am I drawing over your eyebrows or on your
I think the best way is
smaller?
yeah. Let's go with that.
Anastasia, Beverly Hills.
Oh, that's really good.
Famous people use it. Can I remove it?
With
Not with my- I know that it's like clear, right? It's like an alcohol.
this one?
Ah, hiding it from me.
Yeah. I just wanted you to be careful. The whole thing?
Yeah, not my color.
And what do you mean by not your color? It's my eyebrow.
I'm an artist. It's just good.
Okay, so just leave my eyebrow. I like this.
You have great eyebrows.
Oh, okay.
It says eyebrow on it.
Okay.
It says eyebrow. Perfect. God, it's so hard to be a woman. So many things to think about.
See?
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, I broke it. I'm just gonna try.
Use that
Yeah.
one? Okay.
You ready?
Okay. That's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lipstick time. Are you a heartbreaker?
Then choose the lipstick based on the color, not the name.
What goes with gold and white?
You're asking yourself?
I am. Sorry.
Don't break my things.
Whoa.
Cool, right?
Whoa. It's like a secret agent. Matches your skirt. Darker.
Really?
Really darker.
So you want to go with something that matches my skirt.
I think so. That's how it works, right? Do like a Kim Kardashian kissy face? Duck face?
That much?
Why not?
That's it?
That's it. That's
Done?
great. Yeah, looks great.
You sure?
Yeah,
Can I show them?
for sure.
Okay, here's the final look. And now, it's the moment of truth. Okay, I can't go on like this.
You look great.
Really? You think so?
Yeah. For like a rave party.
Guys, what do you think? Did Sam do a good job?